Hi students, in this video we will discuss program to display the output in this pattern, that is 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5. Now how to display this? So in order to display this, the base is the parent base is this one. The next already we discussed this one 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So the same pattern in this example we need to focus on spaces. Here in the first row, so this already we discussed in our previous video. So the same pattern we are displaying here, but additionally we need to insert one loop for spaces. In the first row, totally there are 5 rows and 5 columns. So in the first row there are 4 spaces and 1 number. And in the second row there are 3 spaces and 2 numbers. And in the third row there are 2 spaces and 1 number. And in the fourth row there is 1 space and 4 numbers. And in the fifth row there are 0 spaces and 5 numbers. So additionally we should write one more loop for spaces. So there should be 4 spaces in the first row, 3 in the second row, 2 in the third row, 1 in the fourth row, 0 in the last row. Okay, so the pattern is same, but we need to include spaces for this. So this is the code to display in this format, and this is the code to display in this format. Here we need to write the code for displaying in this particular format. Now let us check this output. Now here if you run this particular program, so 5 rows and 5 columns, so it displays the output in this format. That is, so save your program, compile and run the program. It displays, sorry, so this is our previous code. So 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Save your program, compile and run the program. It displays 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now if you include here j less than or equal to I, save your program, compile and run the program. What is the output? 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So in the same pattern we need to include spaces. In the first row 4 spaces, 3 spaces, 2 spaces, 1 space and 0 spaces we need to include here. Now in order to include that, so additionally we need to take one separate loop. So when we take one variable s, this s is for, even we can continue with j, but let us take one separate variable. So for s equal to I, s less than 5, s plus plus. So here important, you should give printf 2 columns of space, 2 columns space. If it is 2D, 2 columns. If it is 3D, 3 columns of space we need to give. Numbers already we have seen. So now let us discuss about spaces. First time tell me what is the value of I? 1. 1 less than 5, it is true. S equal to 1. Now if you see here 1 less than 5 space, s plus plus 2, 2 less than 5 space, then s plus plus 3, 3 less than 5 s space, then s plus plus 4, 4 less than 5 s space, then 4 spaces are displayed. Then again s plus plus 5, 5 less than 5 false. Then 1 to 1 displays one number. Then again control moves to next line, as we have used here /n. Then it comes to the next line, then here again I plus plus. Now I value becomes 2. 2 less than 5 s, so it enters into this block. Now s starts from 2, that is 2 less than 5, 3 less than 5, 4 less than 5. 2 less than 5, 3 less than 5, 4 less than 5, that is 4 spaces. As I value is 2, 1 2 will be displayed onto the screen. then moves to next line, then I plus plus. Now I value becomes 3. 3 less than 5 S. So now S starts from 3. 3 less than 5 and 4 less than 5. How many spaces? 2 spaces. Then as I value is 3, 3 numbers will be displayed onto the screen. Then next time 1 space, 4 numbers. Then 0 spaces, 5 numbers will be displayed onto the screen. Just we need to include one space loop, one loop for spaces. Save this program, compile and run the program. Yeah, it displays 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.